Hi, I want to welcome you here in the course Living in the Now. It's a mini course, and we are going to dive a little deeper into the information how to find our alignment and find a deeper connection with our now moment. My name is Patricia, and together with Robert, we are from Inner Source Galicia, and this is one of the basis fundamentals we teach everybody to be aware of. So in this course, we will pay attention to bring the focus in different types of meditations to your now moment. So you learn a little bit more how you can do it yourself. And that brings also the opportunity for you to find deeper transformation, because every moment we are now in our now moment, we have the opportunity to connect even deeper and deeper. So I encourage you to come and connect and follow the steps that we give for you. There's a bonus in it. There's a free journal, so you can write down your experiences, read it back, do the course again, and see your own process going on. So I welcome you here in this very powerful, beautiful connection course. Bye. Deepening in the now. Living in the now.